So I'm gonna be going over the last two trades I had yesterday and today. Um, I lost yesterday because of a couple errors that I did. Honestly, like really stupid errors that I committed yesterday. That it was like they were really unnecessary, and I should have not had that loss. I'm not complaining or I'm saying that yeah it was unfair because it wasn't, but it sucks. It really sucks how I lost yesterday. So right here. So I was going for a breakdown right of the structure over here that eventually did happen today. So I was waiting for the structure to break, um, and I was like it was really stupid of me of being like, oh yeah, like uh, I'm gonna go for sales. I'm gonna go for sales, which I usually don't do that. I don't know why I did that yesterday. But initially, my play was right here. This was my place right here. Let me go right here. That was my place right there. Right. Then I was targeting these highs, like right here, right there. Bang, 2 to 1. Right, 2 to 1. Risking 60, getting 120, whatever. I got in for some reason. I sold after that. I bought and I closed with a little bit of profit. Then I immediately went into sales for some reason, and it wasn't even because of this candle. I genuinely don't know why I did that, and I noted that already, which was really like stupid for me to do that. Like I said, I don't know why I did that, but we can see it comes to these 5 minutes, 5 minute to this 5 minute order block. I think it also looks great on the 15, maybe. It also looks good on the 15, and literally that's what I was expecting. But also, I got a little bit of impatient, so that's on me, totally on me. Uh, so yeah, uh, and I was done. I was done trading because I only placed one trade a day, and well, I was done for the day. I lost like 120 or so, and I was like, all right, whatever. I lost, really stupid. And as you guys can see, it was at 8, went up, boom, and then straight up at 10. That shit just dumped. Basically, oh, yeah, and I was on my phone. I was looking at it, and I was looking at this entry for it to come fill up this imbalance, right? Boom, right? It came up to fill that imbalance. I filled it up, bang. So that trade would have been breaks that line up there, boom, and if not, I sell. And then I was looking for these sweep, this low sweep, and it did actually, it did do it. So that trade would have played out, but I was done for the day, so I didn't do that trade. But I would have came out in profits. And then we have today's bang trade, absolutely fucking banged the market today. So I was a little bit cautious today, coming from that loss of yesterday. And initially, I was gonna buy right on the middle. I was gonna sell right on the middle of this order block right here, on this 15-minute order block, which looked pretty good. I was like, okay, fuck it. If go in the middle and then bang, if it breaks right there, 60, I was gonna go for a 250, right? Looking again for these sweeps. Well, I missed it because I was doing something. So there's that. So I was like, okay, all right, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. And I saw an entry right after this imbalance. It had to come fill up that price again. So it did just that. It did literally that. So I was like, okay, fuck it. Um, Initially, my stop loss was gonna be up at these highs, but I was like, okay, it looks pretty fucking bearish. So I'm hoping, it doesn't sweep me away. And also, I was using a little bit of a larger uh, margin. So yeah, so I was like, all right, if it comes to that 25% of that imbalance is whatever. And once again, I was doing some shit and I missed it. So then I ended up taking that order right there. So I was like, okay, fuck it. If it comes to fill up that, if it fills that shit up, I'm done for the day. 30 points. And initially, I was low key, not gonna lie, going for 250 again, right? Which would have filled me, I think. Would have filled me, right? And I was impatient, and I was like, "Oh, I gotta take these profits, right?" That's on my, that's totally on me, right? And I took it right over here. So that was like 125 points or so, right there. Yeah, took it right there, and bang, I made like 270. 270. I lost one, like 110 yesterday. Made 260 today. So overall, on this week we're profit. Also last week we did manage to come out on profits. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, um, not too crazy. I could have had a better entry, which was gonna be up here. You know, um, having a stop loss on these highs over here. And well, 250 again would have actually filled me really perfect. Right there. Bang. I would have banged that trade right there. And I didn't take it because I wasn't so sure. I was like, okay, let me just wait for a little bit more confirmation. And then, that imbalanced happened. And then bang that bitch. Bang that bitch. Bang that bitch. Bang that bitch. Absolutely bang that shit. So, there's that. So, yeah. Pretty much it. Not too crazy, guys. I'm profitable for the week, so why do I have this here? We're profitable for the week, but we'll see how it goes tomorrow. And if I win tomorrow, I'll be cool. And if I lose, I'll also be cool. But yeah, that's it, guys.